My name is Laso Erik. I'm leading our engineering teams in Qt company. And today I'm going to talk to you about the FactoryPulse demo that we have co-created together with Qualcomm and Edge Impulse. We have used Quick 3D to create a really beautiful digital twin of the factory that has moving parts. It's a real-time rendered scene of the actual factory, and it's trying to replicate whatever is happening in the factory at the same time. Also, for the different video feeds and AI models, for example, the PPE and defect detection, we are using Qt multimedia to build up a G-streamer pipeline, and then to inference the actual AI data from the video, we are using Qt Edge AI library, which is a new product that is coming out from us during this year. So if you want to try it out, that's possible by end of March, when we will be releasing our first public test version of that. That will make it much easier for the developers to create Edge AI applications using G-streamer pipelines and AI inferencing. For the SCADA part, which is the control center that you see on the other side, on the other screen, that we have done with Qt Quick. And with Qt Quick, you can create nice 2D environments and graphics quite easily using a declarative language that makes it much more easier than traditional C++ programming of a UI interface.